Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Hitch and Yeti here, and today we are back at North Wilkesboro Motor Speedway. We are here for the All-Star Open event. This will consist of 2 heat races tonight. Heat race number 1, I think, will have 11 cars. Heat race number 2 will have 2 cars, or 10 cars, I'm sorry. And this should be a lot of fun. I think each heat race contains 60 laps of mash 'em up racing. So that's what we're here to check out tonight. This here will be my first time actually seeing the cars on track at speed, really getting after it. So should be a lot of fun. So let's do what we're gonna do. Let's go in here and watch some NASCAR. All right, friends, we have made it in the track. We are all checked in. The truck race is actually still going on right now, so we're gonna make it up to our seats and just get a little bit of truck action in before the big race tonight in the Cup Series. Here we go, going green in the truck race to restart right here. On the outside of Tyson Larson, it's the guy called restarts. He'll get the jump off the for that pesky 22nd position. Tyler Ankrum got shoved in the outside wall, really lost the momentum, and from there on out, he zigged when he should have zagged. I cannot believe it. First time in North Wilkesboro. This is so awesome. Look at all these fans.
Talking about attrition had not been a big factor here today. We get a big wreck on the backstretch. Anyone wants to do that? It looks like it. Sage Smith also.
A lot of fans down there in the Junior Johnson grandstand.
Down on the inside here, there's precious few laps left to go. Marcy gets on the great race right here. On the outside.
Oh no, say it ain't so. Another yellow flag's out. Do you pit or do you stay out?
Majority of the teams still have a lot of the
green white checker.
Boy, it's getting late in the day. We're talking a green white checker, and we'll see. But I don't know if we'll see anyone on pit road.
Green white checker. Here we go. Cup Series.
Our fans bought seats. They're not using it right now. Kyle Larson gets the jump. Then we're going to hear from our race-winning driver, Kyle Larson, as here he is on the start-finish line, taking the checkered flag at North Wilkesboro. Give him a big round of applause, North Wilkesboro Speedway. Don't forget
can't come to a racetrack without getting some health food. So today I'm trying out this sausage dog. Take a look at this. Now that right there is some NASCAR eating. Look at that. And the fries, which I've already been nibbling on them. They was a little bit more than that, but this here was $16, which is a little pricey, but you know, you're at a racetrack, what are you going to do? So let's try this thing out and see if it's any good. It is very large. Oh yeah. Got a little kick to it too, little slack. Look at this stuff. First time in 75 years, wet weather tires will be on an oval race right here in this heat race #1, North Wilkesboro Speedway. The cars even got windshield wipers. How crazy is that? I've never seen that before. Only in a road course. All right, friends, here we go.
Inside lane in the corners is dry.
Wow, that was awesome. Daniel Suarez, man, that was a good battle for the lead. So they're making pit stops now. It's going to be interesting to see who makes the right adjustments to these weather, to the weather we have here. So somebody else could be fast. See if anybody made any adjustments. I mean, the top dog. So heat race #1 in the bank. Daniel Suarez won. Good battle. Thought that was really entertaining. And maybe my wife's new favorite driver. Since she spoke to his bus driver yesterday down here where the drivers were leaving the racetrack. We talked to him for about maybe 5, maybe almost 10 minutes. So really nice man. He said Daniel Suarez, his girlfriend, was really nice people. So that was kind of cool and ironic that he wins the race tonight. And it was a really good race. So now the cars on pit road are just started up for race heat #2, and race 1 was to decide the pole and the inside lane for tomorrow night, kind of like the Daytona duels are for the Daytona 500. And so now this is race 2, which will be 10 cars instead of the 11 that raced in the first heat race. This will put in place the outside start lane. So and they're going to be on slicks. They said they're going to be on slicks for race this second heat race, where race 1 was on the rain tires. So really going to be interesting to see how that works, and might be a little bit of slip and sliding going on, I don't know, but it's going to be pretty fun. So let's get to that. First heat race was very tame, hard racing but very tame. Heat race #2 could be a totally different animal. They might really get after here.
6 out
We're
there. So
under
what
caution
you're
due to
seeing,
rain
they either
drops.
halfway cover
Put
up
those
over
rain
there
tires
in
back on.
What you see?
We got some really cool seats to set on right here in front of us. They took those swimming pool, those wet noodles, and cut them and made seats out of them. It's a pretty good idea. Check this out.
We use the term in racing, we've lost the track, which means
look right
the
down
dry
here.
has completely gone wet.
There's
And at this point, even though the moisture is picking up, we see a lot of fans grabbing
genius.
some rain cover. That's for safety.
So now they're going to change back over to the wet weather tires now. Finish this bad boy. So that's 27 laps complete.
A good thing to stay under the 9.
But the weather is not looking good. Just look at all that bad weather. There's some sunshine, that's her friend, but her friend is trying to hide. So it is peppering down some rain right now. So hopefully they get those rain tires on and finish this up and then get back home before the rain really starts pouring, because I think it's going to get heavy. The rain is coming down now. Woo!
Right now, Chris Buescher is leading the way. Green flag is out there.
And the winner is Chris Buescher, race number 2.
I'll be curious to see how all of this comes about. As far
Don't know what I
as the
think about
wear
that.
on
It seemed like
these
whoever got out
wet
front,
weather
that would
tires
just sit.
that They bolted on
Game
and ran
over.
for about the last half of this
That was that race. I think
60
they
lap
led every lap.
race with.
So not
curious
a whole
to
lot of
see how
battling
that
going on
affects
in this
it,
race.
what they found
Hopefully
out.
tomorrow night the
But I
All-Star
think
race is better.
one big
More
lead here
cars on
tonight.
the track, more air
Know
being
that it is
disturbed.
possible under
Maybe a little bit more
weather
competitive.
conditions
So
to put wet weather tires
we'll see
on
what
these cars.
happens. Well, I gotta admit, it's been a while since I've been to a race with this kind of crowd, and you're doing that walk back in this huge crowd, surge of people going back to their cars. Kind of cool. Kind of miss this type of stuff. All right, friends, as you see the North Wilkesboro Motor Speedway lights off into the distance, we made it back to our parking area, and I have to say, I had a great time tonight. I'm glad I stuck out the weather today and watched the race. It was never raining super hard during the heat races, but it was really cool to get to see them run these rain tires. I think for the first time, they said, ever, other than road courses. But so this is really neat. They're just testing it out, and I thought this was a good way to test it out in like a non-points, race. That's a good time to test stuff out. You want to be like that year. I think it was in 2001. I was at Charlotte with a buddy of mine, and they waved the green, and all the cars went down into turn 1, and they crashed. And but they let them go get backup cars. And Jeff Gordon took a backup car and won the race. And I remember that. I was so upset because my favorite driver was Dale Jarrett. But anywho, this race was a lot of fun. Especially race 1 was my favorite, because I love seeing Daniel Suarez and the fight. He had to really work over Chase Elliott to get by him to get the win. Race number 2, not so exciting, because James Buescher was just from the beginning gone. 60 laps. Nobody could run with him at all. And one thing I thought that was interesting was Kyle Busch in the 8 car. I'm not a big NASCAR person anymore. I don't watch a lot of races, but I know he's one of the guys who wins, and I know he's high-strung, competitive man. He ran last most of that race. So very interesting to see if he can turn it around for tomorrow night during the All-Star race, when there will be more cars on track, and that will make it, that would just change the whole dynamic. And I think tomorrow weather won't even be a thing. So be hot tomorrow with some sunshine. Well, not real hot, but it'd be warm with some sunshine tomorrow. So all that kind of stuff, maybe slip and sliding on the regular slicks might make for a better race than what we've seen tonight, because the drivers were saying these tires were really grippy, the rain tires, compared to the slicks. So that's all I got for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more content here from North Wilkesboro Motor Speedway. And until next time, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti, friends, and I will see you in our next adventure, which will be fairly soon. Y'all stay safe out there.